MARTA Police.
MARTA Police.
MARTA Police.
MARTA Police. MARTA Police.
MARTA Police.
What's all this chatter about? Well, once again, the MARTA Police Department is using advanced technology to enhance public safety. Let's take a look.
Our unmanned aircraft systems have infrared capabilities, recording, 32 times zoom, live streaming, GPS mapping, and geofencing. We can monitor events and access locations that we would otherwise not have access to. We have conducted over 355 flights and accumulated over 30 hours of flight time. The MARTA Police Department Unmanned Aircraft System, strengthening event security, enhancing situational awareness and response capabilities, optimizing law enforcement and emergency management resource allocation, enhancing interagency collaboration, ensuring employee, passenger, and public safety.
So this is what all the chatter is about. The MARTA Police Department is setting a new standard for innovation and effectiveness.